Welcome back. Walking in a single woman's shoes is difficult. That's why we need extra special ones to make that walk a little more fun. Carrie Bradshaw, the lead character from the immensely popular TV series Sex and the City, had once made this quote. A bona fide shoe addict and label lover, Carrie was referring to her Manolo Blahniks. Manolo Blahnik has established himself as one of the finest shoe designers in the world. But his association with the TV series took his brand to a whole new level. Every time Carrie would make a mention about her Manolos, the sales of this already famous brand would just skyrocket. Samara, tell us about this mayhem here. You know, literally a queue, people waiting for Manolo Blahnik. What do you feel about it?
I can't believe it. It's actually madness, which is good. People have become more aware of the brand Manolo Blahnik. Besides Sex and the City, they've actually, realized that the product is what it is, and there's more to the brand.
Tell our viewers why they should come and buy at least, one pair of.
I think it's an amazing feeling. You feel like royalty when you get into the shoes. You feel great. It's light. It's very well made. They're handmade. You feel really special, and it's an experience owning a pair. So you should.
Manolo Blahnik was recently in Dubai to meet all his fans and customers. The who's who of Dubai had queued up to get his autograph on their freshly purchased Manolos. So when I was invited to personally meet this creative genius, I was ecstatic. We managed to get his undivided attention for a while, and here's what he had to say. This is your second time in Dubai. The first time you came down, I think 3 years back when Samara launched the store.
So, yes,
yeah.
yes.
How has it, been in the industry?
It's a miracle city. I don't believe the beauty of the buildings and how quick the whole thing is moving. Well, maybe now with the crisis it's a bit less, but it's a city that is always going to be incredibly growing, I tell you.
You've been in the industry for 30 years. Oh my God. How is 35? Oh my God. You are an institution, in yourself. How has the industry grown from,
in my time, people did things because they're convinced that they were beautiful, but and also because we never thought about money. And now this is what is big change. Everybody thinks about we're going to make so much money if you do this or if you do that. We never did that before. This is the big difference for me.
You're obviously very, very passionate about what you do. Where do you get your inspiration from? Who's your muse?
I have so many muses, women in general, but I love few girls. There's a wonderful girl in England called Lucy Burley, Amanda Harlech, which does Chanel, so many. All those divas of the Arab world have always been my inspiration.
For you, what's more important for a shoe, look or comfort?
There's got to be comfort and the looks, of course, but comfort mainly, yes.
Any message you would like to give all these women who've come here, queued up to, buy Manolo Blahnik?
I only have to tell you that I'm so thankful and grateful that what I do, I do it with passion and I do it without thinking about anything else. And when I see those women waiting and liking it, it makes me really, really move, really.
I feel really lucky to have met Mr. Manolo Blahnik himself. And now it's time to go back to Abu Dhabi to walk the red carpet with the stars. Your High Life Dubai team has taken the focus to the capital of UAE this week to catch all the dhamal as Abu Dhabi hosted its first ever Grand Prix. All eyes were on the red carpet to welcome big names such as Janet Jackson, Neve Campbell, Kimberly Stewart, Marisa Tomei, and many, many more. We had your complete attention, didn't we? And now we need a break to catch our breath. But come back soon as we are going to Dubai Healthcare City to welcome someone from back home. So stay tuned. Coming up, India's largest chain on homeopathic clinic have now found their way to Dubai. Dr. Akshay Batra talks to High Life Dubai about all the details. And after that, more information on the SNF Centre.